Akshaya Tritiya to you all. I hope you are doing great. We must buy something auspicious today for our home, right? In today's video, I will show you what I bought, or more precisely curated from Bishnupur from my last visit to Bishnupur, West Bengal. Do you remember my visit to Bishnupur and the complete guide to Bishnupur from my previous Bishnupur vlog? If missed, it's a request to watch the vlog from the link description below. And a glimpse to my travel to temple town of West Bengal, Bishnupur. It's magnificently known for its terracotta magic and dokra craft. Also Bishnupur classical gharana and folk performances in tribal drum beats, the kirtan in the old temples, and last but not the least, their own weaving of world famous baluchuri and swarnachuri silk saris. Near every temple, there were a few terracotta shops, but I find a group of dokra shops in Mrinmoyi temple premises, though there were more dokra shops in other places also. Besides, it was a Saturday and we were lucky to visit Poramatir Hat near Jod Mandir group of temples. We witnessed the folk performances by the local folk artists, kirtan, sari hearts and terracotta crafts, terracotta jewelries, katha stitched ethnic bags and many more. And then visited the weaver's house where we got to see the weaving of famous swarnachuri saris. Can you imagine? We ended up in purchasing a few in the end of the day. Wait, which I will show you now. This beautiful Baluchuri sari and two of these Bishnupuri chadars I purchased from the weavers itself. The motifs and designs in Bishnupuri chadars and saris are the reflection of beautiful designs from the temples of Bishnupur. So, I am going to unpack those beautiful terracotta crafts and their own silk weave saris and chadars from the historical town of West Bengal, Bishnupur, and few are from Kolkata. And I consider this is my Akshaya Tritiya gift to my home, my abode, and myself. These 3 pieces were from random shopping from Kolkata's shopping places. This is a piece of tablecloth which I have collected for my dining table at the price of rupees 250 only. This one is a chopping board which I bought in a price of rupees 100 only. And these are small kulas made out of cane, just cost rupees 50 for each. Can you imagine? Now showing you the masterpieces from Bishnupur. Well, this is a small light holder which is a terracotta craft and cost rupees 90 only. Now this beautiful and cute looking pen stand which cost just rupees 80 or 90 I remember mostly. Then comes this divine Narayan Murti made out of Dokra craft which is a bit costly. I purchased it at rupees 700 to 800. This is made out of brass or metal craft. My Akshaya Tritiya gift to my home. I picked those 2 beautiful mugs at rupees 90 each. This terracotta mug will add a new charm to my mug collections. Now the famous Bishnupur Ghodas or deers. They are one of the popular figures one must purchase for their home. Even people purchased huge craft deers from Bishnupur. But we could not travel with such big figures, thus we kept a small symbol of Bishnupur, which cost us rupees 300 for the pair. These beautiful lantern or lantern or vintage lamp that caught my attention when my brother-in-law purchased and discussed his childhood memories with this. Is not it a wonderful vintage charm? On my last day at Bishnupur, this beautiful tile caught my attention while I had to rush to get into the car while returning back from Chinnamosta Kalibari. It cost rupees 60 only, you wonder? And this beautiful terracotta planter just cost rupees 100 from the next shop. And I get scolded by my father for this last minute haul. But completely worth it, isn't it? And this is a gift from my mother to both of the sisters, the beautiful Bishnupuri Kolakhetro silk. This one we picked up for mine. How is it? Do let me know. I could bring many crafts and terracotta gifts for my loved ones which I really wanted to, but I had to travel back by flight and because of weight issues, I could not bring more. I hope you also enjoyed to unpack the treasures with me. Please let me know in the comment section which one you like the most. Please subscribe to my channel, watch and like the videos if you like it, and press the bell icon for next video update. Lots of love and see you soon.